Things you did not know about Chat GPT. Sure, we know that it offers conversational, if somewhat stilted, responses. But you need to know that Chat GPT has limitations. Yes, one is limited understanding of context and background information. 2. Difficulty in understanding sarcasm and irony. 3. Lack of common sense and general knowledge. And 4. Limited ability to understand and respond to complex questions. Regardless of these limitations, it is still able to write full-fledged text which has a logical connection between different sections. So you can use it to write press releases, legal briefs, or to complete homework assignments. So you've seen the limitations that are in ChatGPT and how it works to your advantage. You can click on the like button, and if you want more videos on coding tips or on web development, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page. Are there other things that ChatGPT can do? Write them in the comment